Welcome to the channel All That Matters, the channel about all and everything. Today is a unboxing video, unboxing of a wet grinder. We South Indians love to have idli, dosa, vada every day. We never get bored out of it. In order to have really smooth batter for idli, dosa and vada, I have purchased this LG Ultra wet grinder 1.25 liters, and today I am going to show you the unboxing of this. The reason why I purchased a wet grinder when all the while I have been using a mixer grinder to make batter is mixer actually cuts the grains, it doesn't grind the grains. It cuts the grains into small pieces, which results in a slightly different taste and flavor of the idlis and dosas. The wet grinder, on the other hand, grinds and makes a paste out of the grains, which gives the authentic taste as from hand ground batter. Traditionally, idli dosa batter was ground, not cut, as in a mixer grinder. If you remember the old fashioned grinder, which will be a big granite with the stone which is used, it looks like a bigger mortar and pestle which is ground to a paste using that. So in this modern age, to have such a big granite at home and to grind it manually with hand is not feasible. So this wet grinder is a evolution from that. It's a replacement for that. So let's get started and see the unboxing. Big box which I have received. I had ordered this in Amazon. So you can see what is there on the box. It's the picture of the wet grinder and something written here. This comes with the conical stones. So let's see other sides as well. It's the manufacturing information and other things you can see. This is absolutely made in India. Same thing as the other side. You can see what are the additional attachments you can get and the features here. This is the 1.25 wet grinder, ideal for a family of 4. Patented conical stones for effective grinding without high batter temperature rise. 85-watt motor and AISI 304 food grades stainless steel drum, ABS body, multi-utility drum, batter cleaner and 5 years warranty. So one more, the difference between the mixer grinder and a wet grinder is when you grind the batter in a mixer, the batter gets heated up, which will result in the variance in taste. So to overcome it, you will have to add in very cold water, maybe taken out of the fridge, to keep the temperature moderate. In this, you need not do that. So let's get open. So first is this spatula. This is a plastic spatula. Thermocol. You can see the grinder here. The lid, this is plastic and doesn't seem to be very sturdy, but doesn't matter. Now let me try to lift this up. This is quite heavy. This was quite heavy and hence I needed help to lift it up. See how oh my god, this is very heavy. And this portion is the motor portion, and you can see the conical. This is the power cable, the 5 amp power cable, and inside you can see the conical granite which rotate. I'm not able to manually rotate, probably I'll have to switch it on. So how do I open this? This is quite sturdy, this handle which is quite sturdy, so that this will hold this properly. These are the conical rods, and this will ensure that the batter gets pushed. And inside, on the bottom also there is a granite coating given. This is plastic, and this is also hard plastic. So this gets placed like this. This metal one is very heavy, and then there is a groove here, exactly the same shape of this. Ensure that groove is placed like this, and then press it, it gets locked. This is the on off button, so you just have to press it. The steel drum, which also will rotate while it is on. So this is the mixer grinder, and these are the components which I have got: the lid, the batter scooper can be placed like this or this way, and then the spatula. Now let's see what is there here. So Dura Wet Plus Wet Grinder Ultra, perfectly made. User guide and warranty card. You can go through. So these are the specifications, product information sheet, and recommended measure and grinding time, and grinding instructions. Then how to operate Ultra Dura tabletop grinder. First, wash and clean the drum and roller stone assembly. Second is put the drum on the pulley coupler, gently rotate till the drum fixes itself. Roller, you can read through the instructions here, and here it is do's and don'ts. Exploded view of Ultra Dura Plus and the part names. If you want to look at it in carefully, probably you can pause the video and have a look. And these are the additional attachments which can be purchased at an extra cost. I intend to purchase this, but this is showing at a very high cost in Amazon. This is being sold at 3,999, but the same at the LG website, LG Ultra website, is 990 rupees, but this is showing out of stock in the Ultra LG website. So I'm waiting for it to come on into stock so that I can purchase it. And this is the troubleshooting chart. Warranty terms and conditions, and what are all the things which are covered in the warranty, and charges applicable. And for your kind attention, this is like a YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, where we can see the different Ultra appliances and any media, social media broadcasts. So that's it. I'll show you the grinding of a batter in this. Hope you all liked watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.